Hey, it's Jeremy from Oxner Insurance with your Cyber Monday brief. Not on a Monday. The EPA is now enforcing water utilities to improve their cyber safeguards. Why? Because they have point number 2 right here. Since 2023, 70% of them are using single passwords for multiple employees and not cutting off access to former employees. And worse, if the statistic is exactly correct, down at the end of this article, it talks about 95% of water authorities do not have IT people on staff. Now, that could mean that they have an MSP and that they're taking care of their cybersecurity that way. So, boy, water authorities, ramp up your cybersecurity and make sure you have a broad form cyber insurance policy. Thanks for watching.